Watch Ukraine's Kamikaze drones slam into trucks, tanks, other drones. Uber bullies Minnesota governor into vetoing driver minimum pay law. Marvell follows Nvidia's rally, surging 29% after chipmaker cites AI as key growth driver. DIA revokes a major drug distributor's license over opioid crisis failures. JP Morgan developing Chat-GPT-like iService for investment advice. The rich and powerful are using their superyachts for secret meetings far from prying eyes. Mark Zuckerberg said he wanted Meta to get to a scrappier place following mass layoffs, report. Flyers are skiplagging to try and save money on flight tickets. Airlines hate it. MoviePass is back with subscriptions nationwide, starting at $10 a month.